Hi guys, today we are making another Indo-Chinese recipe, and this one is a super hit as well because Delina ate tofu with this sauce. So this is another amazing sauce. Indo-Chinese cuisine is kind of a fusion cuisine, mainly based on Chinese cuisine as well as Indian flavors. Today we are making this garlicky and peppery sauce that we're putting on a crisped up tofu. This sauce and this tofu is so good. I mean, what's not to like with all of that garlic and black pepper? For the tofu, we press the tofu for at least 15 minutes. We use firm or extra firm tofu. I'm tearing up the tofu in organic shapes, but you can also cube it. Then toss it with a mixture of soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, and cornstarch and rice flour. The cornstarch and rice flour makes that coating nice and crispy. If you plan to bake the tofu, just omit the rice flour and use cornstarch and bake it. Then heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, transfer the tofu to the skillet. Keep flipping the tofu until it is golden brown on all of the edges. While the tofu is cooking, you can prep the rest of the ingredients by chopping up your garlic, green onion, ginger, green chilies, and so on. Once the tofu is golden brown, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. Reduce the heat to medium-low, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add your garlic, ginger, and green chili and let that garlic cook until it is starting to turn golden and very fragrant. Add in the onion, and green bell pepper, and then increase the heat to medium. Add in all of the sauces. Bring this mixture to a boil. Mix the cornstarch in the water really well and then pour it into your skillet. Let this mixture come to a boil and start to thicken. Once the sauce is thickening, switch off the heat, add in your crisped up tofu and toss well to coat. Then garnish with the green onion and serve over rice or noodles. You can add different proteins to this sauce as well. Use chickpea flour tofu, seitan, soy curls, or just chickpeas or white beans, or just vegetables. There are other Indo-Chinese recipes on the blog as well, like my Manchurian sauce with tofu, or cauliflower, or with noodles, the Szechuan tofu, the Szechuan fried rice, my veggies and hot garlic sauce, as well as chili garlic fried rice on the blog. And there are many more options. Let me tell you, this is an absolutely delicious sauce and you must try it. If you do try it, do let me know in the comments. Also, please do review it on the blog. Also, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.